All right, guys, if you're considering using a private agent or a drop shipping agent in China, this video is for you. And I'm also going to tell you how to find and choose the best agent for your business, because the right agent can literally make or break your business. Like, I've worked with some amazing agents and I've worked with some shitty agents. Your business depends on it, okay? You're basically choosing a business partner. So I suggest you watch the whole video because agents vary a lot. And when it comes to finding an agent, they're not hard to find. Like, I have agents contacting me on a daily basis because of all the content I put out. It's more about choosing the right agent, which I'm going to discuss in a minute. But I'm going to go through a few options that you do have. So first, you can find some agents by Googling them. A lot of people seem to think there's some secret strategy that only people in the industry have access to this like special list of agents. Like, I've found some really good agents for my business in the past just through Google. I've just gone through their websites. I've seen what they specialize in. I've seen their pricing. I've seen the services they offer. And the next and probably the best way, which is not always possible for some people, is recommendations. If you know of someone who has had a good experience with a specific agent, perfect, okay, use them. Recommendations are ideal because you don't need to go through the vetting process. Like, someone has already validated them for you. And you can also find agents on social media. You'll definitely find agents on Facebook. You can find them on Fiverr and Upwork. But I would be a little apprehensive to choose my agents from any of these platforms unless I knew someone who'd previously used them. Because there's a lot of scammers who offer their services as an agent with any of these platforms. Because you have to remember, there's no barrier to entry to become an agent. Like, anyone can make a post claiming to be an agent. You don't need credentials. Like, personally, I don't want to work with a solo agent who just sources products for me. Like, I want to work with a company who offers all the services I need and has a bunch of processes in place. Another option is to use a website called ImportYeti, which is used to track all the import data. So you can type in, say, one of your competitors within your industry into ImportYeti, and then you're going to get a bunch of logistics data, and sometimes you'll get their actual supplier. And that's not usually an agent, because often their identity is disguised within the data. But sometimes you'll find the factory, which can be just as helpful. I might create a whole video on ImportYeti one day, because ImportYeti can be a real game changer for e-commerce stores. Now, if you just want the easiest route for finding agents that offer drop shipping and sourcing and fulfillment and everything you'll likely need, I have a huge list of agents for you to use. So the link for that will be in the description. But I do suggest you watch the rest of this video if you want to know how to vet your agent, so you're working with the best agents at the best prices. So next is, you want to go through several of the agents' websites and see which agents appeal to you most and suit your business the most. And you're going to want to contact at least half a dozen agents, and most will have a form on their website which you can fill out. Others, you might need to contact them via email or just use a contact form on their website. And you just need to provide all the information about your business, even if they don't have a form for you to fill out. So you want to tell them what your exact product is, what SKUs you're selling, a link to your store, how many orders you're currently doing, the platform you're currently fulfilling orders with, and which countries you're selling to or you're targeting. So basically all the important and relevant information about your business they'll likely need to know about. Now, I'm going to go through what you should be looking for to find the right agent for you. So first is location. Now, different areas of China specialize in manufacturing certain types of products. So if you're looking for a manufacturer, it's best if you choose a manufacturer in an area that they specialize in. Like, it's really important. But it's also important to choose an agent who is close to one of the main manufacturing areas of China. I'll put these areas up on the screen because I likely can't pronounce them. But you want an agent in one of these areas for a few reasons. So first is, they can perform QC or quality control. So they might be a 15-minute drive from the factory where the products are being produced. So they can literally just go and inspect the factory and the products for you. This is a huge advantage. And also, the products might be able to just get picked up and taken to the agent's warehouse if it's close enough, as opposed to the entire shipment being shipped across the country. And if it is being shipped, you want it to reach your agent as soon as possible so you can start fulfilling orders as soon as possible. And another advantage is you'll find you're going to be ordering samples a lot, like sometimes from the same factory, sometimes from multiple factories. And sending a single sample from the factory is usually expensive. So it can cost you a lot if you need to have 3, 5, 8 samples sent to you. But if your agent is close to the factories, the samples can be sent to your agent who can bundle them together and just send them in one package, which can save you a lot of money. Now, when it comes to communication, you obviously want to make sure they speak your language properly and that they're not just using a translator app. But also you need to make sure they can actually answer all your questions properly and promptly. One thing I've found suppliers in China will do is if you message them and ask them 3 or 4 questions, they'll just answer the first question only for some reason and then leave the rest. You don't want to have to deal with all this back and forth bullshit where you can't get a real answer to your questions, okay? They should be professional, they should give expert advice, and they should provide real support. Because remember, you're choosing a business partner. Like a good business partner wants you to succeed, so they should want to help you as much as possible. If they're going to stuff you around, just move on. Also, you want to make sure that your agent fulfills orders the way that you want them to. I think these days, most of the agents use an app that integrates with your Shopify store, and then they'll fulfill orders for you automatically, okay? There may be some agents who still want you to send through a CSV file with all your orders. I wouldn't recommend that. It's time consuming, it's annoying, mistakes are more likely to happen, but also like any legitimate agent should be using an app these days. Now with pricing, all agents vary with their pricing and what they charge for. But most agents will charge a percentage of the order, and the larger the order you make, the lower the percentage they normally charge. And this is typically anywhere from 5% to 10%. And most are going to charge a starting fee to work with them. And then there'll be extra costs for additional services they offer. But others will have a completely different pricing structure, okay? So always check out the pricing before working with them. But I do want to say the cheapest isn't necessarily the best, because even though some agents might cost more, they may be able to source better quality products for you and may be able to have cheaper costs per unit. They might be able to negotiate for you, and they may have access to better shipping lines and help with private labeling, and they might have warranties and refunds and faster lead times. So you need to weigh all of this up. Like you might actually make more money by working with a more expensive agent because they can help your business grow better. Now, when it comes to holidays, I'm mainly talking about Q4 leading up to Christmas and Chinese New Year. So depending on the type of product that you're selling, your business could go crazy leading up to Christmas, especially if it's a product like for kids or it's electronics. You could do most of your sales for the year in this period, and you need to make sure your agent can handle this. Okay, so is your agent a big enough company to scale with your business? Like, do they communicate with the factory all the expected production and lead times? How do they handle shipping delays during Q4? You need to ask all these questions. And when it comes to Chinese New Year, the whole of China basically shuts down for 15 days, including all production and all shipping, but some factories can extend this for up to 40 days. So you need an agent who can communicate this with the factory so you can plan ahead. This might require you to buy additional stock or even use a domestic 3PL in some situations. Okay, so I've already covered some of the criteria of what to look for, which will already give you some questions to ask your agent. But I want to cover a few additional questions that you should consider asking. And this is just so you can find the right agent and avoid the shitty agents, okay? Because there are quite a few of them. So first is, what shipping lines do you use? Like, what are the shipping times to whatever country you're shipping to, and what are the shipping prices? Okay, this is very important. Next is, who is responsible for defective products and breakages during shipping and products being lost during shipping? Okay, it's important to know this before you start working with your agent. Next is, can you provide any references for past clients that you've worked with? Okay, legit agents will do this no problem. Bullshit ones won't. Next is, do you provide options for private labeling some of my products? Okay, most of you will likely be looking to private label some of your products at some point down the track. And are you being paid by the manufacturer? Okay, these questions will just help you weed out any scammy agents, and it shows to the agent that you're not someone who can be taken advantage of. Like, experienced and reputable agents will happily provide this information. Dodgy ones won't. Okay, I'll leave this video here. Just remember to take your time when finding the right agent for your business, because a bad agent can ruin your business and a good agent can make it. Okay, thanks for watching.